Hello everybody, so welcome to my channel. We learn languages. Okay, today all of you are going to learn a daily short conversation. Yes, it's very easy and you all can practice it in your life. Okay, so don't take too much time. We can go through it right now. Here we go. Lesson 58 Daily Short Conversation 1บทสนทนา A เสี่ยวมึงอยู่ไสเสี่ยวมึงอยู่ไสกินบีปะกินบีปะหันใดดีหันใดดี My friend, where are you? Do you want beer? Which restaurant is good?เสี่ยวมึงอยู่ไสกินเบียร์ปะหันใดดี My friend, where are you? Do you want beer? Which restaurant is good? เสี่ยว mean friend or close friend มึง you อยู่ไส where กิน drink beer ปะ mean question word หัน is mean restaurant หันได้ which restaurant ดี good แล้วแต่มึงเลยหันใดก็ได้นาแล้วแต่มึงเลยหันใดก็ได้นาIt's up to you. Either of the restaurants is fine. แล้วแต่มึงเลยหันใดก็ได้นา It's up to you. Either of the restaurant is fine. แล้วแต่ it means it's up to or it's depend on มึง you หันใดก็ได้นาหันใดก็ได้นะ it mean either of the restaurant is fine or either of the restaurants is good mean all restaurant you can accept mean you can accept all ขอแต่มีผู้สาวงามหลายๆเด้อขอแต่มีผู้สาวงามหลายๆเด้อ and I wish there are a lot of beautiful girls ขอแต่มีผู้สาวงามหลายๆเด้อ and I wish there are a lot of beautiful girls ขอแต่ and I wish มี there are ผู้สาวงาม beautiful girls หลายๆ mean a lot okay here are some notes you have to learn more yes point number 1 the word เสี่ยว it is informal one right it is informal and its meaning is good friend or close friend right okay look example ขอบใจเสี่ยวสำหรับของขวัญปีนี้ค่อยทึกใจหลายขอบใจเสี่ยวสำหรับของขวัญปีนี้ค่อยทึกใจหลาย Thank you my friend or thank friend yeah for this year gift I really like it very much right ของขวัญ mean gift ทึกใจ is mean really like it ทึกใจ mean really like it like very much another point the word มึง its meaning is you it is impolite or very friendly right and it is used for older people talk to younger one and it is used for calling each others among close friends okay the word มึง is impolite. Yes, impolite word, or we can say it's the word very friendly is among close friends. Okay, they can talk each other. You can talk to each other, call to each other, right? The word มึง Okay, look example. มึงมึงเป็นหวัดแล้วมึงเป็นหวัดแล้วมึงควรไปหาหมอมึงเป็นหวัดแล้วมึงควรไปหาหมอ You have a cold, you should go to the doctor. Okay, เป็นหวัด mean to have a cold, right? To have a cold. ควรไป should go หาหมอ mean to the doctor. Okay, my today lesson come to the end now. If you think that it's very useful, please share it right away. Okay, one more thing. If you have any question, please leave a comment below. Moreover, if you enjoy my lesson, please subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot. Bye bye. See you next lesson.